Okay, so you have a chessboard and then you have your knight. So the whole point of this game is you get into the cell that has this green circle in as few moves as possible. You have 8 moves in the beginning, and for each completed level, I think you get 2 extra steps. And the game ends when you run out of moves before you reach the green circle. The levels are randomly generated, so they don't get more complicated, but you get more hashed squares. So like these, you cannot land on those. Okay, and let me finish some more level. There's no right solution, but I guess the best solution is the one that uses the least number of steps. Okay, let's go like this. I don't know if I explained it before, but the way knights work on a chessboard is they move in an L shape. So like this, it can land either here, or here, or here, or here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go like this. And so on. So yeah, that's the whole point of the game. And the game ends when you run out of steps, like I said. And yeah, if you're in app and not on a website, the board will be scrollable like this. So that's one thing to keep in mind, that you can scroll, and sometimes the green circle will be outside your view area. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Yeah, that's the game. If you want to quit before you run out of the steps, just tap the X, and yeah, that's it.